What do you get when you combine $3.7 billion, 16 years of construction, bankruptcies, and delays? You get Fontainebleau Las Vegas, officially the tallest hotel in Las Vegas and the second tallest building next to the stratosphere.
In today's recess, we're checking into the Fontainebleau Las Vegas. We'll show you the newest room on the Vegas Strip, try some signature cocktails, and try our luck at winning our fortune.
So sit back, relax, because you know what time it is. It's recess time. All right, so we just landed in Vegas. We're in the airport. We had to play our favorite slot machine, Frankenstein. I know, never play slot machines in the airport. Don't do this. This is not a pro tip. We're gonna test our luck here. That's a good start. That's gonna. Dang it, no Frankenstein head. We got our dollar. So you know what? That's how it goes here. That's why you don't play in the airport, kids. But now we're gonna head over to the Fontainebleau, get all checked in, and show you guys the newest hotel resort casino on the Las Vegas Strip. We're really excited. All right, so we made it here finally to the Fontainebleau Las Vegas. We have been waiting for this resort to open for like 16 years. It started being built in 2007. We can't wait to go inside. We hope you're excited too, so come along with us. This is our first time seeing the Fontainebleau. We got dropped off at the South Valet entrance. So let's go inside. This is our first time seeing it. We're really excited.
Is it Fontainebleau or Fontainebleau?
Right? Fontainebleau.
Oh, wow.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
okay.
Holy cow.
This is...
Dude, this is crazy.
This is... oh, that's...
Okay, first off, it smells amazing in here.
Well, a lot of the high-end Vegas resorts have a
Wow,
scent.
it smells so good in here.
They all have like a signature scent, very much just like the Walt Disney World resorts. And this is giving very much an Aria feel.
Oh my god.
Scent.
This is incredible. This is just the rideshare pickup and drop off. The ceilings in here are like 60 feet tall. This is insane.
Yeah, this is massive. We'll have to come back and really take this in. We still need to check in.
Wow, this is absolutely impressive. Holy moly, look at all the art around. Did you see the sculpture right here? Apparently this is like real gold leaf.
Okay.
Oh look, an egg painting. I'm just kidding.
All right.
I know that's not an egg, but it definitely looks
Tell
like
me-
an egg.
Yeah, it definitely does. But again, yeah, the sculpture is nice, but look at this.
Wow, the escalator is, that's gotta be one of the longest escalators I've seen. All
We've
right,
never been here before, so we got to figure this out.
okay, do we go around or do we go up?
I don't think we go up. We've got to go through.
There's no way we go up. We go through.
We're going through.
This is so cool though. Oh my god. I would hate to have to change the light bulbs up there.
We are just figuring things out.
Oh, here's the coffee shop.
Okay, Chez Bon
Chez
Bon
Bon Bon.
Coffee Shop. All right, we'll see you tomorrow morning. I see guest elevators, high limit slots.
Wait, hold on.
Do we have to go upstairs?
It says there's registration.
Registration, all right. Turn right by Chez Bon Bon. Registration.
Ooh, loving the color scheme in here. This
Wishing potato.
washing potato.
That sounds gross.
It's an Asian restaurant.
You're Asian.
That's correct. Wow, so the dark blues and golds
Wow.
like really work in here. I love it.
People have claimed that like the tile or the everything in here is like scuffing, and they're not wrong. It is kind of.
It's that Italian marble.
I don't like that I have to walk so far to to get to registration. So that kind of sucks, but it's not the end of the world. It's our first time in this casino, so we'll live.
We got dropped off at the south entrance. It wasn't the main lobby entrance.
All right, this is really confusing.
Wow.
We just go in a circle.
Well, we're walking on the outside of the casino. We could probably go through it. Would it be faster?
I'll just follow the signs, though.
Yeah. Wow, look at this though. This casino is gorgeous. The ceilings are like 40 or 50 feet tall in here.
All right, we think we found it. North Valet, registration, I guess the North Lobby. I don't know if this is right, but we're about to find out.
You see all the bow ties in the chandelier?
All these glass bow ties. That is their aesthetic here. I don't know.
That's so cool.
I don't know if you could tell on video, but that's what they're known for.
So yeah, the motif of the Fontainebleau, it's definitely bow ties. They're everywhere. Like Disney with hidden Mickeys, there's hidden bow ties all over this hotel. I think they said there's over like 160,000 bow ties in the hotel, which is crazy.
All right, registration.
The mosaic tile is really gorgeous. Holy cow.
It goes all the way down there and all the way around. Floor to ceiling, mosaic. That's why it took 16 years to build.
All right, so check-in was smooth and seamless, very nice. The service was awesome here. We got complimentary waters. We also got our room upgraded to a higher floor. They were having us put on the 12th floor. We got upgraded to the 36th floor, I think, which is awesome. A lot of people try the $20 trick where you like put $20 between your ID and your credit card and you give it to them and hopefully you get upgraded. We don't really do that. We're just really nice to the people, and you'd be surprised at what a little kindness gets you. So treat your service staff with, of course, the utmost respect and kindness, and just be nice, and you'd be surprised at what they can give you. Sometimes the upgrade is going to be small, maybe a higher floor, a better view. It's not always going to be to the suite. An upgrade is an upgrade. We'll take it. So let's go check out the room.
All right, we're in the elevator. Look at their buttons.
This is nice.
Neat. We got a touch screen.
It's very dark in here. I like it. Ooh. All right, what's our room number?
Yeah.
So we're to the left.
To the left. Oh, wow, these are
the hallways are wide.
I'm really surprised by how wide these hallways are. I mean,
I like it.
Like,
there we go.
This is our room.
All right, after I tried to break into a stranger's room just now. Welcome to our room here at the Fontainebleau Las Vegas. Let's show you around real quick. We got a really basic blue king room, which is the most basic room that you can get. If you're wondering how much did this room cost, it cost less than $200 a night, and we got it over the weekend. So you can get some good deals here, even though this is a brand new hotel. So what is the room like? Well, it's pretty basic, although it's really well appointed. We love the color scheme in here. It carries over the dark blues and the golds that you find all throughout the hotel. A nice big king bed, plenty of charging outlets everywhere, USB and USB-C, which is awesome if you have lots of stuff that you need to charge like we do. So aside from the king size bed, the charging outlets, you do have 2 small chairs as well as a small side table where you can sit and do some work, maybe eat, or just lounge out. There's a pretty spacious closet which has your safe in it. You can store your luggage in there as well. You have your normal mini bar as well as some drawer space and a pull-out refrigerator drawer, which is pretty cool to see. It's empty, so you can keep stuff cool in there if you need to. Talking about the bathroom, this is probably the highlight of the room. It is huge. It comes with a giant tub that you can soak in. Honestly, this is one of the biggest tubs that we've seen in a standard hotel room. A nice walk-in shower, water closet, and really good amenities as well. It's really cool. They do offer some unique amenities here within the room that you don't find in other basic rooms, like bartending stuff. You have like a corkscrew and other things that can help you if you want to like pour some drinks. This is it. Not too much to see, but we really enjoy the look of the room and the feel. There's some really unique artwork. It's a nice, modern, well-appointed room, really comfortable. Not bad for a basic room, I gotta say.
First impressions are really solid for Fontainebleau Las Vegas. We have an entire vlog series here, so we'll let you know our thoughts throughout. Right now, we're gonna go get something to drink and just kind of explore and see what this hotel is all about. All right, we're headed downstairs. We're gonna peruse. Maybe we'll get our player's card. We haven't decided, and we definitely think we need to cheers the new property. Maybe celebratory drink.
I love a celebratory drink. Let's do it.
Okay. Christening it with a little elevator robot dance. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. All right, we got our players cards. One of the first things you should do, especially if you are new to gaming or new to a specific property, is get your rewards card. So we are all set up now. We might get a drink first though, because we're a little parched.
This is amazing. So this is Bleau Bar, and it's located in the middle of the casino, smack dab in the middle of the casino. You can navigate to it by looking for the giant chandelier. The chandelier is humongous. Kind of reminds me of the Cosmopolitan chandelier, but really cool. And if you look at the chandelier at the bottom of each of the, I don't know what you call those things, dangly things, there's bow ties on the end of them. So more bow ties. Anyway, we're at Bleau Bar. We ordered a couple cocktails, but they do have some specialty cocktails. And for my first drink, I got the Dynastic Duo. The Dynastic Duo is made with Don Julio Reposado tequila, lime, passion fruit, honey, and harissa. So it sounds like a little bit of a spicy margarita situation. I don't know. I hope it's good. I love tequila, so we'll find out when it comes out. That's delicious. Oh, wow. You can't even taste the tequila. Super smooth. It's a little fruity, a little sweet, a little sour. You don't taste the tequila at all. I gotta give this drink a 5 out of 5. It is amazing. Really well balanced, so smooth. You can't taste the tequila at all.
All right, here at Bleau Bar, which is the casino bar here at Fontainebleau, I decided to get the Cash Bunny because we're about to win our fortunes, right? So why not? I think it seems fitting. This is quite tasty. The watermelon is very subtle. Tequila, you can't really taste the tequila. I'll give this 4 out of 5. It's not necessarily my favorite type of tequila cocktail, but it's not a bad drink at all. And let's face it, we're about to win our Cash Bunny out on the casino floor.
I like it.
It's not a bad cocktail. Cheers, y'all.
All right, cheers to a fantastic trip. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. That said, we're about to win our cash money out on the floor, and I think we're a pretty dynastic duo, whatever dynastic means.
All right, y'all. Already stole Chris's drink. Remember, 5 out of 5. Mine was a 4 out of 5, and I'm gonna finish it. This is really good. Dynasty duo. What was it called?
Dynastic duo.
We're gonna stick with dynasty. This is dynasty, y'all. No, but it really is a 5 out of 5. This is really good. I'm gonna have to order one for my own. Chris, you can finish my drink. Thanks.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, round 2 has come. For our second round, I got the Brooklyn Barb. Not to be confused with the Bronx Barb, Nicki Minaj. I got the Brooklyn Barb. This is made with gin, Amaro, and some other ingredients that I don't remember, but we'll put them up on the screen. Let's give it a taste. That's interesting. Interesting equals bad. No, that is interesting. Okay. There's a bitterness to the drink that isn't unpleasant, but kind of took me by surprise. I wasn't expecting bitter. Kind of reminds me of an Aperol. Like Aperol gives you that bitter note. It's good though. It's not too sweet. The bitterness kind of mellows out the sweetness a little bit. If I have to give this a score, probably 3.5 out of 5. It is a little bitter for my taste, but not bad. Not a bad drink. I much prefer the Dynastic Duo though.
For my second drink here at Bleau Bar, I got the pancakes and dopamine. Again, ingredients on the screen. Some of the ingredients here are really foreign to us. Comment down below if you're familiar with these. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay, you can really taste the banana. This is actually really refreshing. I would describe it if I had to describe. I need another sip. I don't know. I'm struggling with this one.
Oh yeah,
Kind of tastes like a banana margarita. Does that sound weird?
ooh, a banana Rita.
It's a banana Rita. They should change the name. I don't know. The dopamine will kick in and I'll suddenly have more energy tonight and Chris is not going to know what to do with himself. This is definitely, I think, a little better than my first drink. I'll give this a 4.5 out of 5. It's tasty. It's not perfect. The banana is just such a unique flavor with the lime. And it really does work. All right, cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
We're going to finish these up and then we got to find us a slot machine to play and go from there because you guys saw the room. I think we hit the jackpot with that. The room rates were really great, and the casino's been wonderful. The vibes have been great. Night 1, check-in here at Fontainebleau.
Fontainebleau?
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 Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew? Anyway, it's been great. So yeah, I think we need to cap off the night with some slot play. So
All right.
Keep watching.
Well, let's finish up here and go do it. All right, we just finished up at Bleau Bar, and I gotta say, the service was impeccable. Everybody that was working there was so nice. The hostesses were great. We gotta go gamble. Money's burning a hole in our pocket. We gotta go find a slot machine to throw all our money away into. So let's go. All right, so we're playing Huff N More Puff. This is one of my favorite games. It's also like one of the most volatile games in the casino, but that's fine. Huff N More Puff, 10-cent denom, $5 bets. We might up it to $10, depending, but we'll start with 5. So we need 3 buzzsaws or 6 hats. Let's see what we get. Like I said, this is super volatile, so you're either going to win a lot or you're going to win nothing. So we'll see what happens. Oh, wow. All right.
We got it.
Not bad.
Okay.
Not bad. Wheel
Hey,
feature.
only
Wheel feature. Here we go.
Only in $25. All right, you guys ready?
Hit it. Hit it.
Here we go. All right, mansion feature. Mansion.
Obviously, the mansion
Or
is
you
the
know
best
what?
bonus.
We'll take the major jackpot. Buzzsaw, minor. Keep going.
Oh, big hat. Yeah, mega hat bonus. All right.
All right. This is a little. I don't know. I'm excited about this.
I mean, the minor would have been $500, but that's okay. All right, mega hat.
What?
We're
I
gonna
didn't
hit
even
mega
pay
hat.
attention to that. My bad.
Maybe we get a coverall.
Maybe
That
we
would be
won't.
badass.
Hey, we can still get the minor. Let's get a coverall. All of them. Right
Coverall.
there.
Oh.
Come back.
Okay, that's okay.
That's not
8.
bad.
That's 8
All right.
squares.
6 free games remaining.
All right, ready? Here we go.
Y'all know the story of the 3 little pigs? We're starting with the straw.
All right, that was a little bit of a... There we go. Re-trigger.
Thanks.
So we got a wood house.
You know, when this game hits, it's so exciting. All right.
Oh. All right, we got a gold.
First
That's all we
mansion.
need. 1 gold.
Gold or mansion? Okay. All right. We need a re-trigger. How many to re-trigger?
3 to re-trigger. All right, there we go.
All right, saved by the bell.
Got a few gold. 2 golds.
All right, 2 golds. I didn't realize the miner was at 500. That's pretty awesome.
There we go. 3
All right,
golds.
3 golds. 1 game. Come on, 3 more hats. All right, I think we're
All right, we're done.
okay. Let's not be greedy.
Not horrible.
Hey, $25 in, and already at a bonus for this game. That's pretty good.
All right, here comes Wolfie.
Big bad
He's gonna
wolf.
blow the houses down. So the straw houses go first.
All right, buddy. What we got? All right. Okay.
All right, those are dimes. Those are dimes.
Okay.
So $25 so far. $25.
Oh wow! All right.
$45.
We're at $45. So we're up. Point. Oh my God! Mini.
3 minis. So $300.
$100.
That's not bad. All right,
Okay, that's not bad at all.
$345. That's not bad at all. We'll
No
take
one's
that
complaining.
all day long. Hey, Huff N More Puff. All right.
No hand pay.
All right, and you know the rule of thumb, you guys. You always got to do 1 or 2 backup spins. So we're at $620. We'll play it down to 600.
There we go. 2 more spins after this.
All right, 1 more spin after this.
You doubled your money, so final spin. Take
Final
it, Chris.
spin. Here we go.
Nada.
You know what?
All right.
We'll take a double up
Cash
all
up.
day long.
Collect. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you, Fontainebleau. $600. We put 300 in, doubled up. Not a bad evening. All right, so if you're keeping tabs, we lost 200 at the airport, but we just won 300 here at Fontainebleau on Huff N More Puff. So we're up net 100. Pro tip: book your wins. You know, we're gonna end the night on a high note. I think up $100. Not bad for night 1. We've had a great time so far, and we have so much more to show you. So stay tuned. Stick with us. We have part 2 coming soon. And until next time, we'll see you guys on the next recess. We're going to go hit the hay.